Hi everyone. Let's solve for A. Okay, let's put everything in the same base. So we can write 2 to the power of A plus 2 squared raised to the power of A plus 2 to the power of 3 raised to the power of A is equal to 39. Now, recall that when you have a to the power of m raised to the power of n, this is equal to a to the power of n raised to the power of n. Both are equal. So that means we can interchange the powers. So we have 2 to the power of a plus 2 to the power of a raised to the power of 2, bringing this in and taking this out, plus 2 to the power of a raised to the power of 3 is equal to 39. Okay, now we have 2 to the power of a plus 2 to the power of a. Like 2 to the power of a is everywhere. So we can say let 2 to the power of a be equal to x. Now let's substitute. If we substitute into this, we are going to have x plus x squared plus x to the power of 3 is equal to 39. Now let's bring this in. We have x plus x squared plus x to the power of 3 minus 39 is equal to 0. Now, I'm going to break this 39 into product of its factors, whereby the factors I'm going to choose must be cube, square, and the same number as a single number. So, if we have x plus x to the power of 2 plus x to the power of 3 minus, now that way I can choose 27 being a cube plus 9 being a square plus 3, okay, is equal to 0. So we have x plus x squared plus x to the power of 3 minus, now let's open the bracket. So we have minus 27, minus plus is minus 9, and we have minus 3 is equal to 0. Now let's solve x plus x squared plus x to the power of 3 minus 3 to the power of 3, because 27 is 3 to the power of 3, minus 3 to the power of 2, as 9 is 3 to the power of 2 minus 3 is equal to 0. Now, if this is the first time you are seeing this amazing channel, please click on the subscription button, turn on your notification bell so that you don't miss our amazing videos. We upload videos daily, okay? So please tune in at your convenience to watch our new uploads. Thank you. So we are going to collect like terms. So cube to cube, square to square, and ordinary number to ordinary number. So let's do that. So we have x to the power of 3 minus 3 to the power of 3. Okay. Then we have x to the power of 2 plus x to the power of 2, right? Minus 3 to the power of 2. And we have x minus 3, right? That is plus x minus 3 is equal to 0. Now, let's continue. I don't know if you can hear the cock crow. I'm actually in the village I traveled. So that is why I'm using book without board for now. Throughout the season, I'll be solving without our board. So I'm sorry you're going to miss my face for a short period of time anyways. All right. Now let's continue. Now, when you have a to the power of 3 minus b to the power of 3 is equal to a minus b multiplied by a squared plus ab plus b squared. Okay. Now, when you have a squared minus b squared, a squared minus b squared is equal to a minus b multiplied by a plus b. So we are going to expand this in this form. All right, so let's do that. Now we are going to have, for this is going to be a minus b, that is x minus 3 first, x minus 3 multiplied by a squared, that is x squared, plus ab, that is plus 3 times x, plus b squared, that is plus 3 squared. Okay, that is it for this. Plus, then for this is going to be x plus 3 multiplied by x minus 3. Then we have plus x minus 3 on its own is equal to 0. Okay, all right. Now look at this. We have x minus 3 in this term, and we have x minus 3 in this term. We also have x minus 3 here. So let's factorize that out. If we bring that out, we have open brackets. When this is divided by this, we have x squared plus 3x plus 3 squared is 9 remaining, right? Then plus, when the whole of this is divided by this, x plus 3 will remain, and when this is divided by itself, 1 will remain, is equal to 0. So we have x minus 3 brackets, we have x squared plus 3x plus x will give us 4x, plus 9 plus 3 will give us 12, 12 plus 1 will give us 13, right? Yeah, is equal to 0. Now we can say that x minus 3 is equal to 0, right? And we can say that x squared plus 4x plus 13 is also equal to 0. Now from this side, but lest I forget, remember that we are not actually looking for the value of x, we are looking for the value of a. So that we got the value of x, not, is not the end of the road. We are still going to search for our what, our a. So from here we can see that x is equal to minus 3 we cross to become plus 3. Now recall we are going to come back to look for our a. Now for this side, we have x squared plus 4x plus 13 is equal to 0. So we are going to solve this using the quadratic equation formula that states that this x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac, everything divided by 2a. Now our a is equal to the coefficient of x squared, which is 1. Our b is equal to coefficient of x, which is 4, and our c is our constant, which is 13. Now we are going to substitute these values into this place. So we have x is equal to minus b, that is minus 4, plus or minus square root of b squared, that is 4 squared, minus 4ac, 4 multiplied by our a is 1, our c is 13, divided by 2 multiplied by 1. Okay, now we have x is equal to minus 4 plus or minus square root of 16 minus, now 4 times 13 will give us 52, divided by 2. Okay, so we have x is equal to minus 4 plus or minus square root of minus 36 divided by 2. Now I'm going to stop here. You know why? Because this is negative, we are going to get a complex root here. Complex root, because we're not going to get a real root, okay, it's going to be imaginary. That means we are going to reject this. Okay, yeah, because what we are looking for is actually power. Recall our a is what, exponent. All right, now that means we are going to get the value of a using this thing, x is equal to 3. That is the only real value of a that we are going to get real value of a from here. Now we have x is equal to 3, but recall that what, where we said let 2a equals x, let 2a equals x. So we can say but 2 to the power of a is equal to x. Now that means we can substitute this x2 as what, 2 to the power of a is equal to 3. Now anytime you are solving or looking for a variable and you happen to have that variable as the power, the only thing you need to do is to use logarithm to get your value. So we are going to introduce log to both sides of the equation. Okay, now when you have log a to the power of b, it is equal to b multiplied by log a. Now that means this will come down to multiply log 2, right? So we have a log 2 is equal to log 3. So because we are looking for a, we are going to divide both sides of the equation by log 2. So we are going to divide by log 2 divided by log 2 divided by log 2, and this will cancel this. We have a is equal to log 3 divided by log 2. Now note, when you have log a over log b is equal to log a base b. Okay, so that means you can get a to be equal to log 3 base 2. So this is the value of our a. Thank you so much for watching. Do have a lovely day. Bye.